Let's get straight to the point. If you feel lost, like the system isn't made for people like you, you're not crazy. You're just waking up. And that's actually a good thing. Because the moment you realize the game is rigged is the same moment you stop playing by their rules. That's when life starts changing. I learned this the hard way. I was 19, broke, confused, and pretending everything was fine. Every day felt like a loop. Wake up, eat whatever I could find, scroll through my phone, work a shift I hated, go to sleep, repeat. No plan, no passion, just hoping something would magically change. But nothing ever does, unless you do. One night, I was sitting in my car after a delivery shift, rain tapping on the window. I just sat there, engine off, no music, just silence. That's when it hit me. I had no idea who I was becoming. I wasn't building anything. I wasn't learning. I was just existing, floating. And it scared me. Not in a horror movie way, but in a what if this is it kind of way. So I made a rule, a small one. I said, every day I have to do one thing that makes me smarter, stronger, or better with money. That's it. One thing. Watch a video, go to the gym, save $5, learn a new skill. Didn't matter what, just one brick on the wall every day. At first, nothing changed. It actually felt worse, like running through quicksand. But around week 3, something shifted. My brain felt sharper. I started speaking more clearly. I stopped saying, I don't know, so much. You know that feeling when you look at old pictures of yourself and think, who even was that? Yeah, that was me, except it was from a month ago. But here's the part they don't want